welcome to my office. Today I'll be showing you how I did the makeover of my small office and how I get the space organized. So are you ready?
In audio.
Having a home office is probably the trend going forward, not only because of the pandemic situation, but also because of people's need of having a multi-purpose home. You really don't want to move your laptop here and there, and when you're deep in thinking, you hear a family member shouting, "Dinner is ready, can you empty the dining table please?" Like I said before, you really don't need to have a huge space to be able to afford a home office. For my case, this is how the floor plan looked like before we did any renovation. On the first floor, we have 2 bedrooms. One of the bedrooms is probably too generous. We are not using this room as our master bedroom as there's no ensuite bathroom. Therefore, what's the point of keeping a guest bedroom that big? In the end, I asked my builder to partition a tiny room as my office, which is the one you see here on the screen. The measurement of this room is 120 meter wide times 160 meter long. It sounds ridiculously small, however, as an office, for me, it's more than enough. In addition, the long window here makes the space bright and less crowded as well. Due to the petite size, I wanted to make use of every inch of space as desktop or storage for books and stuff. Therefore, ordering furniture directly off the shelf will not achieve space optimization because you just can't find a piece of furniture that suits your space perfectly. So I decided to go with bespoke furniture. To make full use of the space, I thought a rectangular shaped desk would not be the most ideal solution. Later on, when I was scrolling down on House app, I was inspired by this amazing design by Romilly Turner Interior Design. A curved corner desk with bookshelves on top would be the answer to the design of my office. The furniture is made of MDF board and painted with furrow and bow color scheme stone. For the bookshelves on top, I asked the fitter to install them according to the design had set by me. So I stored small books such as Lonely Planet on the very top level, which I barely need to grab them. Books such as novels on the middle level. This hippo is actually a door stopper. I felt it would be a waste to put such a cutie on the floor. Therefore, I use it as one of my office decoration. For this level, I made it quite tall because I wanted to store some files. For now, I also kept my camera and stuff here, but maybe later I will find an organizer to store them away. Alongside the files and stuff, I also decorated the space by adding a photo frame of me and a plant of ginseng. I never get this plant, the leaves keep dropping no matter how I water it. If you guys know how to take care of ginseng, please let me know in the comment box below as well. So here is a snap of how it looks like as a whole. Bookshelves on the top, at the desk level, I've got some wall storage, internet hub, Google speaker, a monitor, a cable management box, wireless iPhone charger, my laptop, and a lamp. Oh, I'm also a mom of a newborn, so recently I've got myself a new gadget on my desk, baby monitor. As you can see, I don't have any drawers in this design due to the space I got. To compensate the loss of storage, I got this wall organizer Scatty from IKEA. I never know IKEA has so many magical stuff until I got the chance to decorate my own place. For the installation, you do need to drill several holes on the plasterboard, but that's a very easy DIY job. For the compartments, you can buy the pre-packed combination one or mix-match different items to fit your own storage purposes. I got 3 containers here to store charging cables for my microphone, some transfer cables, or anything that is small and easy to lose. I also have a letter holder in here where I keep my cosmetic bag and my Smithson's writing folder. For things such as stationery, hand cream, and lip balm, I need them every day, but I don't really want to have them all out on the desktop. The shelf here really helps me keep the desktop clean by dumping all this product in. For the desktop, of course, the screens. I am using a MacBook Air at the moment to do my video editing. Alongside, I have an additional monitor for screen extension. For the internet, we use this Deco mesh system. We have installed 3 mesh hubs to make sure the entire house is covered by Wi-Fi. For the 2 offices, we also powered them by cable connections for the sake of internet stability. So, when the laptops are connected to the hubs, I'm actually browsing the internet through the cable connections instead of Wi-Fi signals. As I mentioned in my previous video, we also got smart home setup in our place. In my office, I have this Google speaker to listen to music and broadcast messages to other rooms in the house. Finally, the cables. I hate cables. I mean, who doesn't? If I can, I would like to get everything wireless. For example, I use Apple Magic Keyboard and trackpad, which help me avoid unnecessary cables on the desktop. I have a double socket on the desktop level, which I know is never gonna be enough for any setup these days. Therefore, I have a socket extension for all other plugins. I also got myself this cable management box to hide all of these. Also, I try to link all the products I use in the description box below, so go and have a look if you're interested in any. Look, now the desktop is very clean, and it also makes it way easier to do cleaning whenever I need to. Because my Mac has only got 2 USB-C plugins, which is far from enough, that's why my husband got me this USB-C hub, which houses the plugins of USB, USB-C, SD card, internet, and monitors, etc. Whenever I want to take my laptop to, say, our kitchen to enjoy the sound while working, I can just unplug this USB-C plugin and my laptop will be disconnected from all the cables in no time. Because I use my camera very often, nearly every day, I have to charge the battery every now and then. So I just left the camera battery charger on its own for the convenience. In the corner of my desktop, I asked the fitter to drill a hole and conceal it with this type of cover. Because below the desk, I've got another double socket to serve the unlimited needs of plugins. And to make things more organized, I use this cable sleeve together and conceal all the cables. For my office chair, because this is a very small space, I didn't want to have a huge wheelie office chair with high back. That's why I went with this wooden chair with armrest on the sides. It is very comfortable if I don't sit there for 24/7. Sometimes I will need to have a cushion at my back to give extra piece of support. Because I've got floating desk which needs wall fixings on the sides, I couldn't go with the pocket door option. Therefore, I went with traditional hinged door. But if you don't have any wall fixings, you can also install a pocket sliding door, which saves a lot more clearance space. Alright, that's a simple room tour of my office. I hope you guys like it and you do find some inspiration for your home design. If you have more questions, please let me know in the comment box below. In my channel, I talk about house renovation, home decoration, and some tips and tricks that can help you organize your beautiful home better. If you don't want to miss out, please hit that subscription button and turn on the notification bell to stay connected. Okay, I upload video every Friday at 7 PM, so I'll see you guys next week back in my channel. Bye bye!